If you get an emergency alert at midnight, do not look outside. Last night, my phone shrieked with a warning. Lock your doors. Something is in the sky. Suddenly, someone started pounding on my front door. It sounded exactly like my mom crying. "Let me in! I'm scared!" Terrified, I looked down at my phone. A new alert just popped up. Do not trust any voices outside. They are not human. To see what happens next, subscribe right now for part 2.